Hi guys, today we are going to learn in networking like few questions we are going to understand like what is network, what is node, what is topology, types of communication, different modes of transmission, what is hub, switch, routers, and types of cables. So let's start with first question. What is network? So let's say what is network? So network is a connection between two or more devices so they can share their informations and resources or to communicate. So if I say like a network is a connection between two or more devices so they can share information and their resources. A network is a connection between two or more devices so they can share information and their resources. And in simple words, so they can communicate. Like, let's say you have connected with your Wi-Fi with your phone. When your mobile connects to a Wi-Fi, what it's doing, it's joining a network. That network is also known as LAN network, correct? Like, so in other words, if I say what is network, so it is nothing but when a two or more nodes connect with each other, they form a network and they can communicate with each other. So this is about what is network. Yesterday in the previous video, I have shown you like when two pieces connected with a single cable, it's a network. So now what is node? Like I said, when two or more nodes are connected, so what is node? So a node is any device that sends or receive or forward data in a network. So if I say a node is any device that sends, receive or forward the data in a network. Like consider your phone is a node, your laptop is a node, any router you have in your lap in your home, so it's also known as a node. So it's a networking devices which is known as a node. So when two or more nodes connect with each other, it form a network. So this is node is just a networking device you can consider. So after that we have what is topology. So topology is nothing but it means the arrangement of structure of devices in a network, like how you are connecting your devices in a network. Let's take example or first what is topology. So topology means it means the arrangement or structure of devices in a network, like how they are connected. It's known as topology. So there are multiple types of topologies are there. Like if I say there are uh, like first, let's say bus topology. After that, we have star topology. After that, we have, let's say, ring topology, and let's say mesh topology, and let's say hybrid is also one type of topology. So first, what is a bus topology? So As you know, what is the bus means? Bus like a single all devices connected to a single cable. Like how, if I say how the bus is look like, this is the bus and all the sides are different seats are available, right? Like different seats are there in both the side, correct? This is what just a kind of structure of your bus. You can consider this is the bus driver and you see this is what this is a path, which means if you want to go this seat in the last, you have to go via this path. Understood? So this is what this is just like a bus. And if I talk about bus topology, that means they are connected like this. Like this, they are connected. This is what this is a bus topology. Means all devices connected to a single device. Understood? So this is what just a simple example of bus topology. Now the next is star topology. As you know how the star is look like. This is what? This is the star, right? So consider this is like star. That means if I use this topology and if I create topology like this is one PC, let me, okay, this is what? This is a PC. Sorry. Now in star topology, what will happen? You have one central device which is connected with all your PCs. Okay, like this, they are connected. Now, this is what this is star topology. Now, what this mean? Means all devices connected to a central switch and all devices are connected with this central switch. If PC1 want to communicate with PC2, they use this path. First, they will reach to the switch and PC2. Like this, star topology is look like similar to the this star. Correct? This is what star topology means. All devices connected to a central switch. Now, there is a one advantage and disadvantages is there. Like advantage means you require single cable and one central device so that you can communicate with all other devices. Now what will happen if this link goes down? So this PC1 don't have any other path to communicate. Understood? Like let's say this PC1, PC2, PC4 and PC5. If this link goes down, that means PC1 is not able to communicate with PC2, PC3, PC4 and PC5. Let's say if your switch goes down, that means all your connectivity will be down. That means single point of failure will be there. If this link goes down, PC1 is not able to communicate with other devices. If this switch goes down, that means all your connectivity will be lost. So these are like you can it reduce your it's not expensive because you are using single link to communicate, but single point of failure will be there. Now, to solve this, what we can use, there is another there is mesh topology is there, which is help you to solve this single point of failure. So let's discuss mesh topology first. Mesh topology. Now, what is mesh topology? Mesh topology means every device, let me draw first. Let's say, let me take a device directly this. Now, in mesh topology, what happen is, let's say you don't have any central device. Now, mesh topology means if you want to communicate with 2, 3, or 4, they are directly connected. Let's say this PC, I'm going to connect PC2, PC3, PC4, and PC5. Okay, let me change the color. Now PC2 want to communicate with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is directly connected, 4 to 2 to 3, 2 to 4, and 2 to 5. Now if PC3 want to communicate with 1 or 2, they are connected. Now PC3 want to connect with PC4 and PC5. Okay. Now PC4. Right now PC4 is connected with PC1, PC2, and PC3. Now if one PC4 is remaining for PC5. Correct. Let me check. 5 is directly connected with 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, now all devices are connected with each other and they are connected with different cables. Now, let's say by chance, if any link goes down, let's say PC1 want to communicate with PC5. If this link goes down, still PC1 has 1, 2, 3 paths to reach PC5. Like first it will take PC1 to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 it can reach. Or 1 to 3, 3 to 5 directly it can reach. 1 to 4 or 4 to 5 it directly reach. So there is no single point of failure. If any link goes down, still the connectivity will be there. But in star topology, what happen? If single link goes down, that means there is a single point of failure. Your PC1 is not able to communicate with other. But in mesh topology, all devices are connected with each other. Now you have to reach one single PC. There are multiple paths are available. So this is what? This is full mesh topology. The main advantage is there is no single point of failure. But the disadvantage is it's little bit expensive because you required multiple cables to connect. Now, let's say if you want to add one more device in your network, what you will do? How you will identify whether how many cables are required? Let's say one more cable is there, one more PC is there. How you can connect how many numbers of cables is required? So there is a one formula like n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now that means what will happen? N means number of your nodes, number of your PC. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6 and this is 7. Now I have total 7 PC. So 7. 7 minus 1 divided by 2. Now you have to calculate like 7, 6 divided by 2. Now 6 sevens are 42 divided by 2. So the answer is 221. Total 21 links is required to connect this 7 pieces. Understood? This is what? This is the formula. If you have only 6 PC means 6, 6 minus 1, then 5, 35. Sorry. Let me do the calculation for 6 only. So 6, 6 minus 1 will be 5 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 will be 15. So to connect 6 PC, you require 15 cable, and to connect with to connect 7 PC, you require 21 numbers of cable. So this is what it required, numbers of cable to connect. So this is what? This is a mesh topology. After that, let me go with ring topology. So ring topology. So ring, as you see, ring means what? A circular shape, correct? Now you have multiple devices. Let me check. Let me take this PC. You have PC, PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4. Now ring topology means they are connected with single cable like this, and they will form a ring share. So this is what device form the circular path to communicate. And if any link goes down, so they are not able to communicate this PC and this PC. But this path they can take. Nowadays, we are not using any ring topology. We are going with, in the data center, what will happen? Mesh topologies are used because we nowadays we do not require any single point of failure. So that's why most of the time mesh topologies are used in large enterprise. But if you have small enterprise or medium enterprise, you can go with your star topology. Okay, this is just a like a in a ring form. You are connecting your devices. That's why it's known as ring topology. And the last is hybrid. Hybrid means you are combining multiple topologies and create a single topology. Let's say you want bus topology plus ring star topology. So you are combining two different topologies into one, that is known as hybrid topology. Understood? Just a combination of two or more topologies is known as hybrid topologies. Okay. Now this is done. After that, we have different types of communication. So this we'll see in our next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.